Welcome you everyone. In this video we are going to discuss a method to find the solution of a transcendental or polynomial equation. So in this part we are going to consider the solution of polynomial equation. The method is named as Burgee-Vitta method. Here you will be given with a polynomial that is of the form a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus and so on plus an equal to 0, which you can call as f of x, and initial approximation p0 will be given to you. From that you need to find the approximate root of this polynomial f of x. The first step is write down the coefficients of the given equation, taking this initial approximation p0 and applying synthetic division method. You have to determine this bn. So I have to apply synthetic division method twice in each step. So this entry will be treated as bn and this one will be treated as cn minus 1. cn minus 1. Now the next approximation for p0, that is p1, is then given by p1 equal to p0 minus bn divided by cn minus 1. Now from this you have to repeat the process again. That means you have to consider same entries. Again you have to apply synthetic division method here. So in each step you will be getting different bn and cn's. You have to continue the procedure here. Then whatever you get, p1, p2, p3 and so on, that successive approximations p1, p2, pk, you have to consider these successive approximations which are going to converge for a particular value. So after some step the answer, the value of p will be almost equal. So by that step you have to stop the procedure and get the approximate root of the equation. So first you have to apply synthetic division method by considering p0, then identify bn, cn minus 1, find p1. Next again consider p1 here instead of p0, repeat synthetic division method, find p2, similarly p3 and so on. So when the value of pk is going to converge to some particular value, you have to stop the procedure and write the approximate solution. So let us try to solve some problems on this. First problem, problem 1. Use Burgee-Vitta method, BV method anta baritene, to find solution of the following equation. To find solution of, or approximate root of, actually to find the approximate root of following equations. Followings I can just say. So here first I'll consider a x cube minus 11x square plus 32x minus 22 equal to 0, and p0 is, usually p0 anta kottiralla, p anta ashte kottirtare. You have to take that as p0, initial approximation. P is 0.5. Solution. By Burgee-Vitta method, by BV method, we have pk plus 1 equal to, general formula I am going to write, pk minus bn divided by cn minus 1. K runs through 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now first iteration, that means you have to use p, initial approximation, and use, I'll write here, use p equal to p0 equal to 0.5. Synthetic division method now. So here 0.5 and the coefficients are, look into this equation, you have to write the coefficients. See, 1 minus 11 32 minus 22, 1 minus 11 32 minus 22. Now you have to write here 0, so 1 plus 0 1, so 1 into 0.5 you get 0.5. now minus 11 plus 0.5 you get minus 10.5, minus 10.5 into 0.5, minus 10.5 into 0.5 you get minus 5.25. so adding these two will get 26.75. now minus 26.75 into 0.5, that will be 13.375. so adding these two you will get minus 8.625. you have to repeat this synthetic division again, so repeating this again, so I have to write 0 here, so 1 will be carried as it is. 1 into 0.5 will get 0.5, so 0.5 minus 10.5 ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. so minus 10 into 0.5 you get minus 5, so minus 5 plus 26.75 you get 21.75. so this one will be Bn and this will be Cn minus 1. so ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, this is not necessary. so you got P naught, you got P naught and Bn Cn minus 1, thus P1 will be P naught minus Bn divided by Cn minus 1, that is actually P1 equal to P naught ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0.5, P1 means 0, sorry, P1 equal to P naught ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0.5 minus Bn ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ minus 8.625 divided by Cn minus 1, 21.75. so computing this you will get P1 equal to 0.8966. that is first approximation. now for second iteration you have to repeat this process with P1. so second iteration, then second iteration you have to repeat same procedure. instead of P1 P naught you have to use P1, instead of P naught you have to use P1. so here P1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0.8966, 0.8966. I have to write the coefficients now. so coefficients are 1 minus 11 32 minus 22, so 0 ಬರುತ್ತಾ, so 1 plus 0 1, so 1 into 0.8966 we get 0.8966. adding these two we get minus 10.1034. so minus 10.1034 into 0.8966 will get minus 9.0587. so adding those two we get 22.9413. again 22.9413 into 0.8966 you get 20.5692. then adding these two minus 1.4308. this will be actually Bn, this will be actually Bn. so next I should not write any term there. next you have to repeat this synthetic division here again. so 1 plus 0 you get 1, so 1 into 0.896 you will get again 0.8966. Adding these two, you will get minus 9.2068. Now minus 9.2068 into 0.8966, get minus 8.2548. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 14.6865. This will be Cn minus 1. Thus P2 will be P1 minus Bn divided by Cn minus 1. That implies P2 equal to P1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0.8966 minus here minus of 1.4308 divided by 14.6865. So it will be P2 equal to 0.9940. Usually in this method you can go up to third iteration. Okay, next third iteration. Actually correct to 3 decimal places ಅಂತ statement ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು statement ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿಲ್ಲ. Again we have to repeat the procedure by considering P2. So it will be 0.9940 the coefficients are 1, minus 11, 32, minus 22. Here 0 will get 1. So 1 into 0.9940. So adding these two will get minus 10.0060. That is, you can just write 006. Next minus 10.006 into 0.9940. That is minus 9.9460. Adding 22.054. Next multiplying this, here you will get 21.9217. Adding those two, minus 0.0783. Now this will be Bn. Now repeating the process, here I will get 0, so this is carried as it is, so 0.994. Adding those two, minus 9.012. Next here I should write minus 8.9579. Sum of that two will be 13.0961. Here we should not write anything. So here I have approximately P2 equal to 0.994. Now this is Bn, this is Cn minus 1. So we have P3 equal to P2 minus Bn divided by Cn minus 1. Substituting values, P3 will be P2, that is 0.994 minus Bn ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ minus 0.0783 divided by Cn minus 13.0961. So P3 will be 0.99998. So correct to 3 decimal places. The approximate root correct to 3 decimal places. If I restrict this root to 3 decimal places, we'll get 1. Or you can write 0.999, no problem. Usually this part won't be asked. Deflected polynomial. Okay, now don't worry about this. Don't worry about deflected polynomial. stop at this stage only. So this is about first equation. Second equation, x power 5 minus x plus 1 equal to 0, p equal to minus 1.5. Solution. So given x power 5 minus x plus 1 equal to 0, that is the given equation, and p equal to p naught equal to minus 1.5. Now we need to find the approximate root of this equation correct to 3 decimal places. So as usual, first iteration, here minus 1.5 okay, the values I can write here. X power 5 coefficient is 1, x power 4 coefficient 0, x power 3 coefficient 0, x power 2 coefficient 0, x power 1 coefficient minus 1, constant term is 1. Now, so you can carry this 1 as it is. 1 into minus 1.5, you get minus 1.5. Adding those two, minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 into minus 1.5, 2.25. 2.25 into minus 1.5, minus 3.375. So adding minus 3.375. Minus 3.375 into minus 1.5, 5.0625. So it will be 4.0625. 4.0625 into minus 1.5 will get minus 6.0938. Adding that, minus 5.0938. So that will be Bn. So next, you have to repeat this synthetic division. 1 you can carry as it is. 1 into minus 1.5, you get minus 1.5. Adding those two, you get minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 1.5, that is plus 4.5. Adding those two, you get 6.75. 6.75 into minus 1.5, that is minus 10.125. Adding those two, minus 13.5. So minus 13.5 into minus 1.5, 20.25. So adding those two, 24.3125. So here I am not going to write anything. This is Bn, this is Cn minus 1. Now P1 equal to, P naught minus Bn divided by Cn minus 1. Alva? So P1 will be P naught antandre minus 1.5 minus Bn is minus 0.5, okay, 5 point it is, minus 5.0938 divided by 24.3125. So P1 will be minus 1.2905. Minus 1.2905. Now second iteration. So I had to repeat the process of synthetic division by taking minus 1.2905. So here the coefficients are 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 1. You can carry this 1 into minus 1.2905. So we'll get minus 1.2905. Adding those two, minus 1.2905. Here 1.6654. Adding 1.6654. 1.6654 into minus 1.2905, that will be minus 2.1492. So minus 2.1492. Multiplying that, you'll get 2.7735. 2.7735. Again adding the multiplying that, minus 2.2887. So it will be minus 1.2887. That will be Bn. So now here I am not going to write anything. So 1 I can carry as it is. Here 1 into minus 1.2905, again minus 1.2905. It will be minus 2.581. Next, multiplying those two, here I should get 3.3308. So it will be 4.9962. Again multiplying those two, minus 6.4476. So it will be minus 8.5968. In multiplying, 11.0941. Adding those two, it will be minus 2.1492. Sorry, it is actually 1.7735. Rest is correct. Now it will be 12.8676. So this is Cn minus 1, this is Bn. Thus P2 equal to, that is P1 minus Bn divided by Cn minus 1. Substituting values, will get minus 1.2905 minus of minus 1.2887 divided by, what is that, 12.8676. So we get P2 equal to minus 1.1903, minus 1.1903. Now continuing this process for third iteration. Third iteration, we get minus 1.1903 here. So coefficients are 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 1. You can carry this 1 as it is. So here we will get minus 1.1903. Adding that, minus 1.1903. Multiplying that, 1.4168. 1.4168. Multiplying minus 1.6864. So minus 1.6864. 2.0073. It will be 1.0073. Multiplying that, minus 1.199. So adding, get minus 0.199. Next, repeating this synthetic division. So here I am going to get this 1 I have to carry as it is, minus 1.1903. Adding those two, minus 2.3806. Multiplying 2.8336. It will be 4.2504. Multiplying minus 5.0593. So it will be minus 6.7457. Multiplying here 8.0294. So here it will be 8.0367. So I have Bn Cn minus 1. So P3 will be P2 minus Bn divided by Cn minus 1. So substituting that values, you'll get P3 approximately minus 1.1673. Sorry, 1.1683 this is 83. You can repeat the process. So repeating this process, you will get P4, that is 1.1673. So the approximate solution is P equal to 1.1673. There is one more iteration that I have written directly. So I have to carry out one more iteration. So the last problem. See, the given equation is x power 6 minus x power 4 minus x cube minus 1 equal to 0, P equal to 1.5. Solution. So given the equation, x power 6 minus x power 4 minus x cube minus 1 equal to 0, P equal to 1.5. So that is the initial approximation that we have to consider as P naught. So first approximation 1.5, right here 1.5 here, coefficient of x power 6 1, coefficient of x power 5 0, x power 4 minus 1, x power 3 minus 1, x power 2 0, x power 1 0, constant term minus 1. So 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1. Now considering this 1.5, this you can carry as it is. 1 into 1.5 you get 1.5, 1.5 into 1.5 1.25. So adding those two, sorry, it is 2.25, 2.25, adding those two will get 1.25. So 1.25 into 1.5 you get 1.875. So adding you get 0.875, 0.875 into 1.5, that will be 1.3125. Same thing you get, multiplying 1.9688, 1.9688 for minus 1, it will be product will be 2.9532, that is 1.9532. Now we have to repeat this process, right? 1 you can carry as it is, 1 into 1.5 you get 1.5, 3 into 1.5 that is 4.5, adding this 5.75. Next multiplying factor will be 8.625, so it will be adding 9.5, 9.5 into 1.5 that is 14.25, adding 15.5625, 15.5625 into 1.5, 23.3438, adding 25.3126. So this will be Bn, this will be Cn minus 1. Thus the first approximation P1 will be P naught minus Bn divided by Cn minus 1. So that is P1 equal to P naught ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1.5 minus Bn 1.9532 divided by Cn minus 1 25.3126. So P1 will be approximately 1.4228. 1.4228. Now a second approximation. 1.4228 you have to keep here. 1.4228. So coefficients 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. 1.4228 multiplying 2.0244 multiplying the factor will be 1.4575 0.4575 multiplying 0.6509 0.6509 again multiplying 0.9261 0.9261 multiplying here 1.3177 0.3177. Repeating the process. Here you get 1, you can carry, right? 1 into 1.4228. It will be 2.8456 multiplying 4.0487. So it should be 5.0731 multiplying 7.6755 multiplying 7.67, sorry, it is 7.2180, sorry, 7.2180, here 7.6755, 10.9207, adding 11.5716, again multiplying 16.4641, 17.3902. This is Bn and this one is Cn minus 1. So you can compute P2, it will be approximately 1.4045. So repeating the process, you get P3, that is approximately 1.4036. Hence the approximate solution is P equal to 1.404. So this is the way of solving polynomial using Burgevita method. So